Okay, here is our kitchen to size and scale. I know we have a bunch of possibilities going here, but this is just a jump off point, and if this isn't exactly what you're looking for, we can certainly change direction. So what we have here is with the intention of removing the fridge, oven, and microwave out of this space and opening up that doorway. Your fridge is placed here, 2 refrigerator legs as you can see, and this fits a standard standalone fridge like what you currently have. So if you want to do a built-in fridge, of course we can do that. They make them 36 inches wide, but typically they're about 10 inches taller, so we'd lose about 10 inches off of this cabinet here. Lazy Susan in the corner, these 2 doors are bound together, so when you open up the corner cabinet doors, they open up together. Same with the upper. We have a tray divider to the left of the 48-inch range. And there are, for cookie sheets, tray dividers that go in here, and when this door opens up, there is a pull-out shelf or a roll-out behind that door. This is a spice rack for spices, obviously. Trash can, 2 50-quart containers. Your coffee bar area separated with this floor-to-ceiling cabinet, which could you could put some of your essential pantry items in there instead of your pantry that you currently have back here. Glass doors on the coffee bar to spruce it up a bit. This could be a sink. You would need to bring plumbing down for the coffee bar if you decide to run that all the way over. But this is a 9-foot opening here because currently your cabinets end right here. And the island, there's too much of an angle to look at it this way, so if we look at it from elevation view, sink cabinet, dishwasher to the right, and this is the microwave. So if the microwave doesn't work down low because of how tall your husband is, one option would be to put it in this cabinet. These are all 12 inches deep, standard. This cabinet would just be made 16 inches deep and a frame built for that to be built in or to sit there. The island, this is 96 inches long. These wings are 10 inches wide, so we have about 84 inches in between. Typically, the American standard is 24 inches for seating width, but if kiddos are sitting there, you could put 4 kids there and it would look just fine to put 4 bar stools on the back of the island. And it is 36 inches deep. 24-inch deep cabinet on the front, and these are about 10 inches deep with 1.5 inches each side for overhang. So your granite top will be about 36 inches. So that's what we have so far. You can see on the estimate a price for just the island, a price for just the coffee bar, which are these 5 cabinets. And if you want another price for just replacing all the doors, if you don't redo the entire kitchen, I'd have to get back out there and do that. And then of course there is the price which includes redoing all of this work. So hopefully that helps and at least gets us going in a direction, and you guys can see some possibilities out there, but let me know what you think. Thank you.